So hello guys, welcome back to Furja Gaming. I'm your host Furjak. So in this video we're gonna learn how to install Kali Linux in VMware. So I have already installed one. Okay, so I will remove that so that we can create newly. I will delete it permanently everything. Okay, from the disk too. Now click on the file. Actually I'm using Windows 11, so no problems. So it will be same on every Windows or every Windows. Okay, and now click on the select ISO file. Okay, means locate the disk, and I'll choose the Kali Linux ISO. You can download the Kali Linux ISO from kali.org only. Okay, kali.org/downloads. You will get the latest ISO from there. Don't ask for me the files because it can be different every time. Means tomorrow it will be a new update, after that it will be a new update, so it is better you go download there manually. Okay, I'll name it Kali and I'll press next, and I'll give a size of 50 GB of hard disk. Okay, now I will customize the RAM so that we can smoothly install the Linux. Okay, so I will select 4 GB, and after that everything let it be same. You choose whatever you want, like also it should not, it is not necessary only to give 50. You can give whatever disk size you want also. Okay, now I will click on the run VMware. Now let's wait for the Kali to boot up. Select the first option, graphical install. You can also try manual install, it is up to you, but I will choose graphical install. Okay, graphical install is much better than normal install. Now let it boot up. I'll fast forward all the installation things. Okay, because it will be hard to, it's very long videos. Okay, so that's why I skipped everything. First select the nationality and keyboard layout, and also select the one you prefer. Now also it will ask for the Wi-Fi to connect. I have a this one connected, I have a Ethernet connected, so it is not necessary. I'll give the domain name as Farjak and sorry, the host as Farjak and domain name as FGHacks, and also this one as Farjak. Okay, you can give whatever name you want. It is not necessary that you type in the same I type. Okay, type in any password. Also you can continue without password, it is not necessary. I will type a password and I'll press continue. Okay, it will configure everything. You just have to wait. Now you can see that it will list, it is listing the disks that are present in the virtual machine. So only we gave only 50 GB, so it is showed here. So we will select that, and so you can see guide and continue. Press the continue button. Don't want to change anything here, just press continue and again continue, and now press continue. Okay, this is easy for beginners, so I am choosing this one, and continue again and press yes, and the Linux will start installing. So first the base system will be installed, and after that we have to install too many other things. I'll say what else we have to install. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Okay, okay guys, I fast forwarded everything so that we can easily go ahead. You can choose the XFCE, but I like KDE Plasma, so I'll choose the KDE Plasma and untick the XFCE. Okay, and also Genome is even better than KDE Plasma, but I like KD Plasma, so I'll choose that one and let everything be the same. Now just press continue, and yeah, this will take a lot of time, so you have to be patient. Go grab some coffee and you also drink that one, and like it will take up to a hour or something like that, so you can let it be. I have fast forwarded everything so that you can like easily enjoy the video, right? So I'll let the grub be installed. Okay, choose the disk that we have and install. Don't go directly and continue, it will be a lot of mess to you. Just select the disk we have and press continue. Okay, just select the disk and continue, so that we have grub also. Grub is not that necessary, but we need that. Okay, now press continue. So you have watched until this, that means I'll show you also how to fix Kali Linux errors and everything like that. Like in the basic Kali Linux, it won't come with all the fixes, but I'll show you every single fix. Okay, so watch till the end, it will be very useful. And also make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that you get fantastic videos like this in the future. And make sure to press the bell icon to all. Okay, so if you have entered the password, just enter password and continue. If you don't have any passwords, then it will automatically sign in inside. Okay, sorry. First time. Okay. So okay, the Kali Linux is starting up, just have to wait. So the KDE Plasma is getting ready. So I like KDE Plasma because I have used Garuda Linux for so long that I like to use KDE Plasma. Okay, next time I have to try the Hyperland OS. So first thing, you can see that all the tools and softwares have been installed successfully. And now, as always, we have to do important thing. Okay, first let's see where to download the Kali Linux fix and everything. Just open the Firefox or whatever browser you want, you prefer, install it and then open. But I am using Firefox here. So type in pimp my Linux or pimp my Kali 2. It will open this link. So click on that one and just click on the code. You can see the GitHub repository. It has too many things, so you can read everything if you want. So click on the code and copy it and open the terminal. And oh, come on, minimize. Okay, git clone and the link and press enter and it will be cloned successfully. So now just go to the pimp my Kali and you can see the file is here. And if you try to run this, you see it should be run as sudo, but before always you see before starting the system, or like it is the first time install, right? So make sure to update the system or else everything will be deleted. Like a time where Linus Tech Tip deleted his full desktop environment. You may have seen his video. If you have seen his video, you know what will happen. Okay, so it is better that we have to install the all the updates that are latest. Okay, so I'll type in sudo update -y ampersand sudo apt upgrade -y. Okay, so that we can install the latest update. So I am fast forwarding this too because it took a lot of time, like up to more than an hour. So you can see that it's almost done there. Let's wait some more time. Now it's it's taking too long. Okay, press the OK button, and again it's taking too long, so let's wait, guys. Okay, here also fast forward. Okay guys, the installation is successful. So now go to the cd pimp my, means already we are in the directory of pimp my Kali, so just run it as administrator. Okay, sudo dot slash, make sure to write sudo in the front so that we can run it as administrator. Enter in your password, and now select n and press enter. No, press enter is not required, just press n and it will start updating everything. And after this, again run it and press 0. Okay, press 0 so that it will install from 1 to 8, and we are good to go. After that, if you want a speeder repo links, you can also type in the option that is available in the pimp my Kali. Okay, so after this it will take some time and it will start installing everything, and our Linux will be fully fixed and ready. Okay, so this was it for the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.